Yeah, so as a chef, I look for a few things. First off, when you walk in, what's that initial energy that you're getting from the space itself, right? Is it quiet? Is it stuffy? Are the staff feel like they're walking on eggshells? Or do they feel like you're in their home now? Like, is there an immediate kind of, not necessarily, I don't want to say casualness, but is there a feeling that they're inviting you to enjoy what they enjoy and they can't wait for you to enjoy it? So energy in a room is the first thing. Right away, I can walk in and say something feels off or this is exciting. Service is key, right? So that interaction with all the front-facing, front of house workers, only because that's your first impression, right? Those first two or three points of contact will now either make you look at the food you're about to receive a little bit more closely, or maybe your guard's down because you're already enjoying the interactions you've had. As a chef, the food quality, consistency, creativity, all of that coming together, value, those are really important to me because at the end of the day, if the food isn't good, you'll probably not see me come back. And I think for the most part, you won't see the average customer come back because that is the anchor for what people are doing out. They want to eat something, right? So put that all together, combine it with, hopefully a price point that feels like you got something out of it, but then the business has to get something out of it too. They need to profit. They are for-profit industries. So that is, also pretty key. So I think the energy, those first few interactions, the food, and then, what was the value at the end of the day? All super key when I look at a restaurant.